There's a new AI tool on the block, and it doesn't just automate tasks, it builds its own workflows, thinks through sub-steps, and even spawns other agents to help it finish the job. It's called Deep Agent, and it's not some Zapier clone. Built by Abacus AI, this tool can apply for jobs, write sales emails, manage support tickets, and even generate Python code with zero setup. The wildest part? It costs just $10 a month. If you've been paying for multiple tools, it might be time to cancel them all. Let's get one thing clear. Deep Agent isn't your average automation tool. Built by Abacus AI, Deep Agent is designed to run complex workflows autonomously. That means it doesn't just follow a set of instructions like Zapier or Make. It actually thinks, breaks tasks into sub-goals, and can spawn multiple agents to complete each part of the job in parallel. And it works in real time. Imagine giving it a single prompt like, apply to remote software jobs. Instead of just clicking through a form, Deep Agent reads job listings, updates your resume, writes cover letters, and submits applications, all without you writing a single line of code. It even comes with pre-built demos for this exact use case. But it goes beyond job hunting. The platform includes ready-to-run agent flows for writing outbound sales emails, building lead lists, handling support tickets, and even generating RFPs. These aren't just templates. They're smart, self-adjusting agents that make decisions on the fly. And to make it all user-friendly, Abacus built a canvas-based visual interface. You can drag, drop, connect, and build workflows visually, no coding required. But if you are a developer, you can export everything to Python with a single click and customize the logic however you want. This is next-level automation, not a tool, but an AI-powered teammate. What makes Deep Agent so different isn't just the number of workflows, it's how adaptive they are. Let's talk real examples. In one demo, Deep Agent is tasked with applying for remote software jobs. The flow includes multiple agents. One searches listings, another updates the resume to match each role, one writes a custom cover letter, and another submits the application. You can preview, edit, or fully automate the process, and it happens in a fraction of the time a human would need. And then there's the outbound sales flow. An agent can research leads, write a tailored sales pitch, personalize the subject line, and even handle replies. No CRM, no MailChimp, no Zapier. Just one intelligent system making human-level decisions. Each agent also has long-term memory. That means when an agent makes a choice, say, selecting which job boards to pull listings from, it remembers that decision and can apply it across future runs. Over time, Deep Agent self-optimizes. It learns from past outputs and improves performance without needing you to retrain or tweak anything manually. This isn't just plug and play, it's plug, think, and evolve. And the interface, it's all canvas-based. You build flows visually, connect logic blocks, insert AI models, and watch agents operate in real time. You can even run multiple branches simultaneously, and the system handles coordination between sub-agents using an intelligent orchestrator. Need something more advanced? Export the entire pipeline as editable Python code, and you've got full control at the developer level. With this setup, Deep Agent doesn't just replace tools, it replaces entire workflows. And because it's AI native, it works smarter the more you use it. Now here's where things get really wild. For all its advanced features, autonomous agents, workflow memory, sub-agent orchestration, Python exports, Deep Agent costs just $10 a month. That's not a typo. At a time when most automation platforms charge per task, per user, or per API call, Abacus AI is flipping the model. You get access to intelligent, evolving workflows for less than the price of 1 month of Zapier Pro. And you're not just linking apps together. You're running self-directed task agents that generate content, reason through steps, and adapt to changing inputs without breaking. This pricing model alone could disrupt an entire category of SaaS products. Need someone to apply for jobs? Done. Handle customer support tickets? Check. Run cold email campaigns with personalized research and follow-up logic? All covered. Even at scale, the platform offers usage-based upgrades. But for solopreneurs, freelancers, startups, or even small teams, $10 unlocks insane value. So what does this mean for the workforce? For one, it places the power of automation into the hands of non-developers. The visual canvas and pre-built flows mean anyone can launch an AI-powered operation without technical know-how. For developers, it accelerates prototyping and deployment by eliminating time-consuming scaffolding. But there's a bigger picture. This kind of tool reduces the need for entire teams of entry-level staff. Customer service, outbound marketing, scheduling, data extraction, it's all automated by agents that can spawn other agents, learn from their actions, and improve with every iteration. Abacus AI isn't just building a tool, it's building a self-optimizing ecosystem, one that could become a foundational layer for startups, SMBs, and enterprise teams looking to scale intelligently. And as more models like this emerge, the question won't be, which AI should I use? It'll be, which jobs can AI take off my plate today for the cost of lunch? Deep Agent doesn't just compete with other tools, it's redefining what it means to work smarter in the AI era. Let's be honest, Deep Agent isn't just another automation tool. It's a fundamental rethinking of how workflows should work in an AI-powered world. Created by Abacus AI, Deep Agent blends together everything we hoped no-code platforms would eventually become, and then goes several steps beyond. This isn't just about connecting apps or triggering actions based on rules. Deep Agent uses multi-agent intelligence, context-aware reasoning, and long-term memory to build, manage, and evolve workflows that can handle real-world tasks like a trained human team. Whether it's applying for jobs, crafting cold email campaigns, responding to support tickets, or managing RFPs, this tool doesn't just execute commands, it thinks through them. What's even more shocking, it delivers all of this for just $10 a month. Yes, $10. That's less than what most people pay for a single productivity subscription. And in return, you get something that could easily replace multiple tools, reduce manual work across departments, and scale with you, without the complexity of learning code or setting up custom APIs. This isn't a sidekick, it's a full-blown autonomous assistant. It learns from how you use it, adapts to changing conditions, and improves over time. You can monitor and tweak its flows visually using a Canvas interface, or, if you're more technical, export everything to customizable Python code in a click. This is the beginning of intelligent automation at scale, not robotic task execution, but fluid decision-making systems that work with you, not just for you. Whether you're a solo founder, startup operator, content creator, or just someone trying to get more done in less time, Deep Agent might be the one platform that replaces your entire stack. 100% of you watching, drop a comment below. What would you use Deep Agent to automate in your business, workflow, or daily routine? We're reading every single reply. And if this video sparked even one wow moment, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because this kind of AI isn't coming someday. It's already here, and it's only getting smarter.